If you want to obtain a visa to visit UK, the process is easy and straightforward. First and foremost, you have to determine which type of visa you need. But there are several types of visa, and each visa has its own requirements and other restrictions. Then again, there are fees you are going to pay, and there is a way to go about it, and you get your UK visa. And there's a way you monitor your visa application. After you submitted your visa application, how will you know the process, the stage of your application, whether they're attending on it or not at any given time from the comfort of your home? These are other things I will show you in this video on UK visa application. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. You are not paying for anything for subscription, but you are updated when we drop the next video. Now let me now give you the detail of what you're going to do to get UK visa. Now let's start from UK visa types. UK has several types of visa, and each visa has its own restrictions and requirements. So your mission in UK will determine which type of visa you will apply for. Now let us now look at those types of visa. One is tourist visa. This type of visa is for travelers who want to visit the UK for leisure or to see friends and family. It allows you to stay in the country for up to 6 months. Then we have number 2, business visa. Business visa is for individuals who want to visit UK for business purposes, like attending meetings, conferences, you want to import, you want to visit a company or things like that. Then you apply for business visa, and they are going to ask you for the itinerary, then which company, where are you going, and things like that. So this is what you should know about a business visa. Then we also have work visa. There are several types of work visa available for those looking to take up employment in the UK. This work visa includes Tier 1 visa. This one is for entrepreneurs. That means the individuals looking to set up a business in the UK. And Tier 2 visa, which is general visa for skilled workers. And Tier 5 visa, temporary work visa for those taking up temporary position. Then apart from work visa, we also have student visa. Student visa is for individuals who want to study in the UK at a recognized institution. So this one allows you to stay in the country for the duration of your studies. As you all know, well, as you are going to see, each of the visa requires have a requirement, what you're going to use to back up your claim. They also have family visa. If you have a spouse, a civil partner, or family member who is a UK citizen or who is settled in UK, then you may be able to apply for family visa to join that person in the country. We also have settlement visa, which is type of visa that allows you to settle in the country permanently. It allows you to live, work, and study in the country indefinitely. Apart from these things I have mentioned, we also have other types of visa you can see on the screen. But for the sake of simplicity, I will explain only these 6. We have other types of visa I can see on the screen. Now, we want to see other things that are very important if you are to succeed in getting this visa. Those things are the documents for UK visa application. So one of them is a valid passport. Before you try to go to UK, you must have a valid passport, because you need to provide a photocopy of the personal information page of your passport. This will be along with any pages that contain visas or stamps from other countries. If you have traveled abroad before, we will provide the photocopy of the pages that contain stamps from other countries. So that is number 1. The number 2, we're also going to bring proof of financial stability. You need to provide evidence that you have enough money to support yourself during your stay in the UK. This could be in the form of bank statement, pay stubs, or a letter from an employer containing your employment. All these things are necessary as part of your proof. The third document is a letter explaining the purpose of your visit, the purpose of your trip. You will need to provide a detailed letter explaining the purpose of your trip to the UK, including who you will be staying with, how long you will be staying, and what you'll be doing while in UK. The number 4, you should also bring evidence of your accommodation. If you will be staying with friends or family in the UK, you will need to provide proof of their address and your relationship with them. If you will be staying in a hotel or other form of paid accommodation, you need to provide confirmation of your booking. Then you are going to bring additional supporting documents. As I have said earlier, depending on the type of visa you are applying for, you must bring a document to back up that application. That is very necessary. Then how do you apply for UK visa? You visit the website you see on the screen. This is a government website. Here, this government website has a lot of services. There are a lot of things that you can do in this website. That's also where you apply for UK visa. So as you open the home page of this website, then you could scroll down. You can see other services here, including visa and immigration. Then you click on that visa and immigration. Once you do that, it will bring you into another page where you have other services, where it can now give you options. Then you click on work in the UK. It will now take you to another page. Assuming that you want to work in the UK, you click on work in the UK. I use that as an example in this video. Now, when you do that, you have another page to show you different options. British National Overseas Visa, Graduate Visa, UK and others, higher potential individuals, and so on. So there are so many, and also have UK visa you can apply without a job offer. All these things are what you're going to see out there. Then you scroll down and choose accordingly. Once you have chosen the type of visa you need, then you click on apply button you're going to see at the bottom of that page. Then follow the instructions to create an account with the website and start your visa application. You will need to provide personal information like your name, date of birth, and personal details. And all of them should be consistent. Then complete the application form. You will need to provide information about the purpose of your visit, your account, your accommodation in the UK, and any other details that are necessary. Then you pay the visa fee. You need to pay the visa fee online before you can submit your application. Then when you submit your application, once you have completed the application form and gathered all necessary documents, then you can submit the application online. And once this is done, they will send you a confirmation email showing that they have received your application. That confirmation email is very important. Also know that the processing time of each visa application varies depending on the type of visa. At times, they will direct you to an agent in your country that can do some biometric capture. At times, they do that. So that our website will tell you if that option is required. Then where you go, and your official will see you physically and interact with you with other needed information. Then if your visa application is approved, you will receive a visa in the form of vignette or sticker in your passport, or a separate document called Biometric Residence Permit, BRP. This thing is very necessary because you travel with it. Okay, don't allow that to miss. Then if your visa is denied, you will receive a letter explaining the reasons for the decision and information on how you can appeal or reapply. Because if your visa is denied, that means that doesn't mean the end of the road. You can appeal based on what they tell you. If they did not fully understand you, you can appeal or reapply. That's how you go about it. And then how do you check the status of UK visa application? You have submitted your visa. Then your visa application, how do you know whether they're attending to it? What stage is the application? How do you know? That's what I'm going to show you now. Now you go back to that same website, government website, and click on search. Then you type UK visa application status. You type it on the search box and send. And you go there and bring you so many options available. Then you select that, check your visa application status. You click on that. Then it will now show you where you're going to type in your reference number. This reference number is number in your application form. So take note of the number in that application form, or in any correspondence given to you, you're going to add this reference number. You add that reference number, enter your date of birth, and then click continue. Now it will tell you the status of your visa application. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to the channel. Make use of the comment section to reach me. If you do have observation, do you have questions, use the comment section to reach me. And share this video to people you know that can benefit from this information. As you are working towards advancing your career or trying to explore the UK, I wish you success.